In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can remix song using Suno AI. So first things first, head to suno.com and then create a new account if you don't already have one. And if you already have one, just log into your account. I'm just going to use Google account to sign in because that's literally the easiest way to do it. Once you're in, this is the dashboard. You'll see right in your sidebar, you get 100 free credits. And that's more than enough to test out a few different remixes and create a few songs. So click on this create button from your sidebar. Now, as soon as you click on the create option, you'll see workspaces and then this section right here. So what workspaces is basically all your previous songs that you have created. So I've got a lot of songs in mind, and you would need one song as well to actually remix it. In case you don't have any songs, all you need to do is either choose simple mode or the advanced mode and then go right ahead, describe your song over here. I would suggest you to start with a simple mode because it's pretty easy. You just need to describe your song. Then if you want, you can even add your own lyrics by clicking on this add lyrics, which will take you to the advanced mode, which gives you more flexibility and customization options. So in case you're just trying out, just go with the simple mode and describe your song. Choose a few different options like what kind of song are you looking for? Is it pop, lo-fi, etc, etc. If you don't know anything about what you're trying to create, then you can use a few of these suggestions that have been added below. And in case if you have absolutely no clue, just click on this roll button and it will give you a random prompt. Then you can go right ahead, click on this create button and it will create a song for you. Actually, it will create two songs for you. Now, there are a few options which I'll talk when we actually remix a song, because creating one and remixing one have similar options. So I'm just going to take one of my old songs and then we can go right ahead and remix it. As you can see in my workspaces, these are all the songs. So any song that you want to remix, just click on these three dot buttons and then choose the remix option. Now, there are a couple of different options even in remix, like the cover and mashup, which will give you more or less the remix that you're actually looking for. You can either create a cover for the same song that you have chosen or create mashup where you can combine two different songs into a single one. So I'm going to start off by explaining how to create a cover. I chose the cover option and then you need to select the amount of music that you want to cover. And for those who don't know what a cover song is, it's basically creating the same, actually recreating the same music in different feel or genre. It's time to take a look at the different options that are available. First off, you have the audio option. Here you can either browse through audios, upload your own or record your own audio. Now this option is of no use in our remix because the audio that you upload will act as the base of the entire music. So in case you are uploading your voice note or singing anything, then that will be turned into a song, a beautified version of that to be exact. Now, other than that, you've got lyrics. So these are the lyrics that have been added into this song right here. In case you want to change the lyrics in your cover song, then you can go right ahead, change that as well. And these are the styles that were used in the original song. So it's time to change them so that we can get a good cover out of it. And I've not made many changes to the style. I've just changed the gender of the vocals. Basically, it was a woman with melodious voice and I changed that to a male with acoustic voice. So now I'm just going to click on this create button and then we can go right ahead, listen to our remixed song. Okay, so we've got our covers. There are two of them, and let me just show you the original song and then I'll play the cover song for you.
There is a quiet light in me, does not shout but stays with me.
That was the original song and here's the cover song.
There is a quiet light in me, does not shout but stays with me.
And here's the second cover song.
The quiet light in me does not shout but stays with me when the dark feels wide and long.
So, as you can see, same lyrics, almost similar vibes, but different vocals. That was how you can create cover songs. Well, let's take a look at how we can create mashups now. I'm again going to select the same song and click on remix, then choose the mashup option. Then you can add another song to mashup, click on add, then you'll see all the musics that you have created from your library, and if you want you can click on everything so you can choose songs from any other people who have created on Suno. The songs that you see cannot be selected are created using V5, which is not available for the free plan. So if you are on pro plan you can choose any of the songs, but I'm just going to stick to the songs that are in my library, and this is the one that I'm going to choose. After that, it will ask you which lyrics are you going to use, whether you want to use one song's lyrics or keep the current song's lyrics or mash up both of the lyrics. So I'm just going to let creativity get the best out of me and mash up both the lyrics to see how well can it go. So basically this is the lyrics of the first song, and then if I scroll down, these are the lyrics of the second songs, and let's see how it turns out to be. I'm just going to hit the create option. I've kept the style from the first song, so let's see. Alright, so check this out. It's going to be a longer clip so that you can actually see that both of the songs have been blended together. So listen to this.
Song. When the dog feels wide and long, it hums like an unfinished song.
Soft glow on the dashboard, half tan, but
So that was the mashup, the transition and the lyrics mashup. It was on point. Now to download any of these songs, all you need to do is click on the three dots, click on the download option and choose the MP3 audio option. That's it. And check this out. We created two different remixes, a cover and a mashup, and the amount of credits that were used were 20. So you can create up to 10 different mashups, remixes or songs. And don't worry, these aren't one-time credits, they are renewed, so you can keep on experimenting. I hope this helped and I'll see you in the next one.